Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about this Kumkum Skin Polishing Oil from Aegte. I have received this product a month ago and I have using this since a month. So yes, today I am going to review this product, and this is going to be a quick and honest review. And also this video is not sponsored, this is my review on this product. This is how this looks. So without any further ado, let's just get started. Let's start with the packaging. I really love the packaging of this, although the sticker around it is a little messy though, but yes, I really like it. Also the fragrance is quite not that good कि आप इसे लगाने के बाद इसे थोड़ी देर सह सकते हो. थोड़ी सी fragrance इसकी अच्छी नहीं है, but yes, this can be used as multi-purpose oil. This can be used as makeup remover, this can be used as makeup primer, this can be used as for people who are having pigmentation problem, for people who are suffering from dry skin. This is really good, and this is a really good product for them, and this is really a lifesaver for them, because एक oil product बहुत ही अच्छा होता है. पहली बात तो अगर आप मेकअप की साइड हो और अगर आपको चाहिए, आपके कोई क्लाइंट्स हैं उनका मेकअप सेट करने के लिए, so this is the best thing to set their face before makeup. I have used this multiple times as my makeup base, and trust me, that makeup base was really good. Also, I really love it. Let me tell you the ingredients which it has. It has saffron oil, olive oil, lemon oil, almond oil, wheat gram oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, turmeric extracts, and sandalwood oil. Every oil which is beneficial for skin, सारे oils इसमें हैं. So why not give it a try at least? Yes, this is a definitely to give a try for. Also this retails a little expensive. ये 999 का है. Let me just show you how it looks on my skin. This is how it blends. It's kinda good. See, अगर आप इसी पे बेस लगाओगे इसको अच्छे से ब्लेंड करने के बाद, हाउ गुड इट विल लुक, हाउ गुड. द शाइन you see, it's fabulous. Also, you guys might be wondering that what makeup I have put on right now. This will be up really soon, because I have bought some really new products and really affordable. I know this looks very shiny because अभी बहुत ज़्यादा पसीना आ रहा है मेरे को, और I cannot do anything about it because फ़ैन बंद करना पड़ता है मुझे because of this recording, ताकि आपको आवाज़ क्लियर आए एकदम. और उसके बाद मुझे फिर पसीना आता है. देखो कितना एफर्ट्स लगाने पड़ते हैं यूट्यूब की वीडियो के लिए. So yes, this is definitely a try, worth a try for, and I'm going to give it 5 out of 4, just due to the the pricing one, and I really love it. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye, see you till next video. I'll be continuing with new videos from 20th.